Nowadays, digital wardrobe apps, as any other kind of app, are abundant. Search in Google Play or Apple App Store and you would be presented with a long list of suggestions, each one equally polished and inviting. How do you choose the right app for you? If you don't want to go the conventional road of installing and deinstalling an app using trial and error to stumble upon the right one, then this video is for you. First things first, ask yourself, what are you planning to use the app for? Do you want to organize your vast wardrobe? Do you want to get outfit suggestions? Do you plan to create travel capsules, calculate how much wear you get from each item? If you are clear before yourself what you really want to achieve with a digital wardrobe app, choosing the right one would be much easier. If you want to dress better, look for an app with a good AI stylist. If you want to organize your clothes, look for an app that allows easy import and creation of new items from photo images. If your wardrobe consists of mostly standard-looking items, you might want an app that offers a portfolio of ready-to-import images. If your pieces tend to be unique, look for an app that has easy import of photos from the camera and a good background removal algorithm. If you want to get the most of each piece you wear, look for an app that calculates cost per wear and eventually brings other useful statistics in this regard. Most of the app authors would list their features in their store listing, so a bit of reading up front could save you tons of future work. Second thing to consider is how your images are going to be stored and how you can access them. Assume the worst. You'd like to switch apps. The most valuable asset in your digital wardrobe would be the photos of your pieces, background removed. Does the app offer a way to download them? Can you export them? How will it guarantee that you won't lose this data if you lose your phone? These are all questions you should consider before you even import your first photo. The third thing that you need to think of is your privacy. For many of us, it is actually a top priority, but surprisingly, we often miss even to put it on the list. Privacy is important, and you must be sure if you are willing to allow the app authors to use your data. App authors are required to submit their privacy policy, and the main data that is gathered is listed in the app page at a place where potential users can easily find it. Make sure you read it carefully and be certain you agree with it. Technical considerations are the next topic to think about. Do you plan to use the app on Android now and forever? Or do you include the probability of switching to an iPhone at some point in the future? Is the app frequently updated? Does it need a lot of system resources? Can you make sure that the app authors address bugs and performance issues regularly and release their app for new Android or iOS versions on time? Backup and transfer of the wardrobe if you change the device is another thing to consider. What happens if you decide to switch a device? How do you protect your data? What happens if your phone crashes and you need to recover what's in the app? Can you restore your digital wardrobe if you swipe clean your phone? The language of the user interface is an important topic for all non-English speakers. Not everyone is comfortable using software in English. Does the app offers a UI in your own language? Are you comfortable enough with English so you can use it, even if this is a foreign language to you? Another point to think about is sharing of outfits, items, socializing with friends over the app. Do you plan to share with friends the outfits you style, the items you create? How are you going to do it? Are you content doing it in the app, which requires that your friends use it as well, or do you prefer to have a way to export your creations to a popular social service or even email? All these are important questions to consider. If you plan to use the app not only for your own needs, but you'd like to share with others what you've created, we have just outlined some of the considerations to heed before you choose a digital wardrobe app. These are not a full list, but they surely point to the direction of planning and searching before blindly downloading the app that pops first. Mistakes could be costly in terms of time and effort, so when you choose which app to trust with the digital version of your wardrobe, choose wisely. Please share your own thoughts on the topic with the community by leaving a comment in the comment section under the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.